The Hinyatrap Youth Council, or HYC, Sohiong Circle has lodged a formal complaint with the DC's office in East Khasi Hills accusing Priden Singh Thaba and Rojan Khalat of involvement in a scam related to land compensation for the construction of the two-lane Sohiong Western Bypass. HYC President Perning Star Shabong revealed that the duo withdrew large sums of money from the beneficiaries' accounts without their consent and demanded 10% of the total compensation fees, exploiting their lack of education and awareness. The HYC has called for a thorough inquiry into the matter, including the possible involvement of government officials, and has urged authorities to take swift action to ensure justice for the affected individuals.
Cái jor trong kỳ nông sản sinh tay kỳ thành tiếng dây thành krang jabar kita ter thì là ông bà kita angut ki beriu ke dan mata han kam ki ba là ai ru keteng sengi lengkap dekat bank statement we neki ba keteng ba Priden Singh jat thaba we pat ba dei Rojan Khalat ini ki angut ki beriu ki dawa pisa la ki sim pisa ya ki beriu daga ba ki penbit khantam nei nei ki nong song sonong kantong ki badang duna hajing dang cita ke jengtip ki penbit ban ai ka blang check ban pan ki ka blang check daga ba penbit ki ong ba kindio ba sumir po office dai ka ba sufi ba golong ba ki pa ba anda ka jing bom tip jong ki kila kum ngop ka ta ka jing penbit jong u ba kini ki angut kila ada blang check ba ka ba sufi ba golong ba na kalian kini ki angut kila sei ya ka pisa ka badai ka pisa by compensation jaka habade kita ka Selong Western Bypass.